Heather Stevenson with the Stevenson team, and today we're bringing you a brand new listing that's coming to the market this week. It's located at 4881 Hamer in the city of Placentia, and this single-story home is phenomenal. It has 4 bedrooms plus a study, 3 full bathrooms, private lot, and upgrades galore. Brand new flooring, brand new paint. This home is absolutely move-in perfect in award-winning schools in a central location in Placentia. It won't last long. Come check it out today.